Welcome to Short Stack Slots. I'm at a High Winds Casino today. I'm going to be playing the Leon Panda, what I call the bag game. Here's the progressives. Got a tall major on that. We're going to start on 5-cent denom, betting $4.40 a spin. We're looking for those coins to go up and trigger that bags to spin. Those pandas are going to be wild. I need those coins. There's one. Spin that bag. Those gold pots are the highest value on this game. Got some aces right there for $4. Come on, spin it. Spin both of them. There we go, guys. We got the longevity bonus. We're going to get 5 spins right here with the potential of getting more free games. If we get those purple coins. There's one extra free game. Now we need some money to go along with it. There's that panda. There's 2 games. Good deal, guys. It's got a 3 times multiplier on that. That's $18.75. Come on, we need those coins. We got 3 games left. Or give us games. +2, +1. That's 3 games, guys. Good deal. Trigger those. That would have been nice. ×3, that puts us at $21.75. Come on, that's our highest value. ×3. We're up to $91.80. Good deal. Come on, trigger that bonus. Another game, guys. Good deal. We needed it. More games, more games. Got us. The money on that one. We're up to $96.20. There we go. ×3, we got those 9s. We're up to 105, and this is our last game unless we can re-trigger. Give us more games. We got another game, guys. Good deal. Can we get another one? That's our last game, but let's see what we end up with. 106.70. Hey, fast bonus. We're going to do a few backups on this game. We'll stay on the 5-cent denom 440 bet. I'd really love to get the jackpot feature on this. There we go. Spin it. Might play this down to 2, guys. There we go. We got us a nice little hit there, $15. We'll do a fast tap right quick. No. We need to get that red coin. Alright, we got that one to grow some. We'll still play this down to 200. Let's do a couple of fast taps. That's the one we need. Spin it. Nope. Alright, last spin, guys. Unless we get something. Alright, thank you so much for watching Short Stack Slots. Please consider subscribing to the channel. Hit that thumbs up button, and I'll see you soon.